Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The report to Ken is already powered to ready to that crypto. Spot and the judge married the beginning tier our still money what grabbing what we didn't tie they equity. That project apply to import and market the what I will report community members to meet in the form of credit David can after sell our world tech market power is saying to report power tech take many can't the next level. I feel will we can for every teach couple on their board Peter Howard on the half of the ceremony can we will be pronounced that after half we be returned to Will Holden this person it can part report much of gain back more than its tag. We Near with the T Ruby API Swift Veteru Ruby API play to bring is sold blocking network to an be crash change towards the part of the cryptocurrency and on Augustus 10 they are ponytail investor have ample time to add to herd crypto wield a total of 900 million token will be dragon token give everyone in the hourly blocking cryptocurrency. Breaking news community what came a short info time Niger tell what already got water. I'm for 100 shot we start 3 cryptocurrency hourly coins and which be spot 19 May 2022 get 100 shot in the cryptocurrency world it's not the field if you got taken we sold a shot gets and the hall the 4 long time hours the hours many one taken lot than he new event answer investor can after get constrained to fetching or the next 100 B for you quantity we have already a lot and surety tier cryptocurrency they call penalty profit 100 profits if held for the long time this cryptocurrency our African caught and the march ready on the Lord more about this there kids we can get you live for reality and on patch which Junior his network patch project has about its luck and the average network the award has made with I time for more can for the community with the award part is ready to be carried on effort managed with his for his effort will be one of the premier begin in the world of Chinese face the sport protocol its charm counts for which on the it's a network I will assure to move a China's a shared following power really can a claim. Achieve the promise is the bill they take can't problem. immunity within Thai need for queens within it he benefit Warigi permit and his faith in the field of deep tech has seen a lot if the influence and the network get the global and the card shift I got defeating a set for a cryptocurrency probability. Okay baby, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you. Assalamu alaikum.